Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our latest reviews. Today we are checking out this Ldafava portable clothes dryer, a compact solution for drying small loads quickly. This electric laundry dryer is freestanding and top-loading, made from durable ABS material. It boasts an impressive capacity, holding up to 9 pieces of clothing at once, though some users report good results with 4 large t-shirts in about an hour. What sets this model apart is its efficient heating system and 3D surrounded soft drying technology, diffusing hot air from multiple angles to quickly remove moisture, potentially drying items in as little as 20 minutes. This is fantastic for small apartments, RVs, or travel, as it's lightweight and foldable. It also features built-in timing and a silent function, allowing you to set drying duration based on fabric type and load size for a peaceful experience. It even comes with a remote control for added convenience. Remember, due to the internal heating element, allow about 15 seconds after clicking close for it to fully stop working. Overall, for quick drying of light clothes, underwear, or baby items, this portable dryer offers speed and energy savings compared to a full-sized machine. Let me know in the comments if you've tried a portable dryer before. Thanks for watching.